Good afternoon. It is October the 6th, 2017, and we have prospered on another Newsday trade. We were able to get in and do well with our bond trade, and we scratched the E-mini and didn't know how to play gold off of it, so things worked out as anticipated. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading, also since the trades have not been executed. Results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. So we're guessing to close around 25.44, 45 for the E-mini. We'll see if it happens. The high was 25.50.50. The low is 25.41.50. That's 9 points off the high. That's where they started taking profits. So we will see where she closes right now. Rumor fact, the news was split. More people participating in the workforce than ever, but we missed on the non-farm payroll numbers, so the move was down. Got short in this area. Market rallied up. I decided to scratch that trade. Our setup allowed you to enter back in that area for a small winner for +3. We had a 45, 47, then a 40, 42 buy, and eventually we get down to our 40 to 42. And what's the magic about that? It's our second spot, and we love our second spot. So nice retest failure. That was the trade of the day. Again, we just don't have volatility to work with. Tough trading in the E-mini, and it'll be that way until it actually starts to sell. F1 screen, inside day, trade it come Sunday night and Monday. I think that's probably accurate. The sell would be 49 to 51. 54, 56. On the buy side, 39 to 41. Try to be a little bit cheaper because it is a B, and 35, 37. So trying to buy 35s to 40s, sell 50s to 55s. The news on Monday is NFIB Small Business Optimism Index. China will be back. Their golden week is over. And I'm sure they'll add some volatility to the market, or that's sure hope they do. We need somebody to. Looking at the note, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Move out of the middle here in J period. The F2 screen. It's P put in backwards, so that's short covering, and it is news related, but you can see that we have pretty good selling in the 125 even area, 125.08 up in here. So first sell is 3 to 7. 11 to 15 is sell 2. On the buy side, pretty good support, 24 to 28, so 25, 29 buy 1, and 17, 21 buy 2. I think the trade again is to find a place to get short and see how big a ride we can get. You know, the peak of my week is usually Thursday for some reason. And getting back into boxing probably has a little bit to do with that. So the buck to 04, number 1, sell 7s to 11s, sell 1, 15 to 19. I do think the trades from the short side is sell 2. On the buy side, 20 to 24. Oh, 13 to 17 buy 1. 5 to 9 buy 2. Gold. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. We were selling this morning. We have a news related buy. War with Korea is back on the table. Wonder if North Korea is playing the futures markets. So, do have a P right here. We rejected prices above 77, so 77.80, sell 1. 83.85, sell 2. On the buy side, 70 to 72, buy 1. Give a little bit of room to the downside. And 64, 66, buy 2. Well, crude oil, the Libyan oil, and the building gasoline are probably the what driving the crude oil this week. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Definitely have B's behind us, definitely working with a B right here. So 50 to 75, selling against 50, sell 1. 50, 50 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make it 48, 75, 49, let them get stops below 49. And 48, 25, 48, 50 buy 2. And last look will be at the euro. Came back a little today. Lower high, lower low. We can still look for a place to sell it. Structurally selling against 118 right here. Looks to be reasonable. P, put in backwards. That's short covering. So a little bit higher right here, maybe 90 to the buck, sell 1. 20 to 30, sell 2. Pick up this spot over in here. Picking up that balance point right there. On the buy side, the breakout came from 60, so 50 to 60 buy 1, and 20 to 30 buy 2. And that's it for this October, the 6th, 2017. I am out of here. Y'all have a great weekend. I don't even have to worry about Tennessee this weekend. football. Their program is probably done for the year. They're already talking about getting a new head coach. More power to them. He is in over his head, because the team just doesn't get any better when they come out and play. They actually get worse. So y'all have a great weekend. May all your teams win, and I'll see you bright and early Monday morning.